Citing sources can seem tedious and time-consuming, but it does serve several purposes other than just giving your professor something to grade. Let's examine 3 reasons for citing sources. Your research is more credible, more believable, and more trustworthy when you show that you obtained facts and evidence from reliable and respected sources. Your conclusion is only as convincing as the quality of the facts you use. If you cite information from a source that has been widely rejected for errors, prejudice, or other failings, then your data is not credible, and readers may decide that your entire argument or conclusion is also not credible. This is not just about the credibility of your facts, but actually proving yourself. Your citations build your credibility by proving that you know your stuff and that you are well-versed in the essential sources. If a reader sees that you failed to cite really important sources, what you say loses value and impact, making it harder for others to trust you and to take your contributions seriously. Findability is also important. If a reader of your paper wants to verify a fact, read more about an idea or theory, or incorporate the source into their own research, then they can use the citation in your paper to find the source. Citing is also important because it contributes to the scholarly conversation. Recall a time when you discussed a topic in a group, whether in class or with friends. One person argued a point, and then someone else said, "Yeah, I agree, and building off what he said, I would also add." Or perhaps someone said, "No, I disagree, here's why." Have you heard or said statements like these? Spoken debates often include these ideas of, "Let me add to that," or "I'll tell you why you're wrong." When you point to someone who just spoke or reference what someone said, these are informal verbal forms of citation. Scholars, however, can't just point across the table and say, "Building on what she said." Instead, they use written citation to achieve the exact same purpose. It maintains the conversational thread, sometimes over hundreds of years, by identifying previous comments that they want to support with further evidence, build upon, or disprove with new evidence. So we've established that there are good reasons to cite your sources. To help you remember these reasons, think of this memory aid: Citations for Success. C stands for credibility, F stands for findability, S stands for scholarly conversations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to cite for success.